Hello, I'm Natasha Advani here. Today we are going to talk about supercharge your life. How can you supercharge your life? It's very important, especially during nowadays time, what all is happening outside. We have to be careful, be aware, although things have opened, but it's very important to wear your mask and keep social distancing because although it has opened, it still we have to be careful of the coronavirus which is going on. So have you noticed that what are the things we can do to take precautions or increase our energy levels? You noticed on 22nd March we had a clap, right? We had a clap, so which was when why we had a clap with Modi ji had done because sound when we clap, it decreases the negativity in the atmosphere. So it's very important, in the house whenever you all are, just to clap on four corners of the house. It will decrease the negativity of the atmosphere. I do sound healing also, so sometimes if you like, I take sound healing bowls for take, and I do it for my clients, and people see lot of shifts in their life. Another thing you can do, if you don't have sound healing bowl, you can take a utensil and keep hitting the utensil on and chammach. You can just do it all around the house. It will decrease the negativity. And since 2020, it was being said by astrologers that it's not a very good year. It is ruled by Rahu, which is not a good year, and overall number 4. You notice earlier in 2011 the Uganda epidemic, and 2002 the SARS epidemic also, it was number 4, and it was not a very good year. So it is said that you have to be careful, just to be careful and just keep distancing from people, increase your immunity levels. Another thing you can do in the house, whenever you're in the house, you must be having dhoop and agarbatti. You can take dhoop and agarbatti, and with the infinity sign number 8, okay, do it 11 times. Okay, take agarbatti and with the infinity number 8, do it 11 times. It's called space clearing. You'll see lot of negativity releasing from the house, and it's very good. You can take dhoop or you can take agarbatti. It is very, very effective, these techniques. Do it, and it is very like, just take the dhoop and just do it 11 times in the room, 11 times in the drawing room, and you will see lot of space clearing also happen. A very good, another powerful technique is rock salt. You can take rock salt and put it on 4 corners of the house, and you will see that after 2-3 days the rock salt will become dark. Why is that? Because there's negativity in the air. It will clear negativity, and it's a very, very powerful thing for rock salt. And also you can have a rock salt bath. Before having a bath, just take little warm water and put rock salt inside and have a bath. It clears a lot of negativity from the body, and do it daily. Even I do it. It's very good, because when we go outside also, we are meeting people. There's different energies of everyone. So to cleanse yourself before sleeping in the night, do that. This is very, very powerful. If anyone is having pain in the leg also, you can take a bucket, warm water, put little rock salt inside, and put your legs inside, till the knees you can put, and you will see, and put it for half an hour. You'll see your leg pain is also reducing, so that is it's very good. Another thing is, of course, now it's raining and all, but earlier I had told people, like in the sun, you can go outside in the sun and just pour water. It's a very, because sun energy is very powerful. It dispels the darkness in the atmosphere. It's okay if we can't go out in the sun. Even if you have a sun painting in the house, you can just fold hands and just put a little water next to the sun, and it's a very, very powerful technique. And whenever it's sunny, we can always go out, and not out, like, not, you have to be careful now, but it's a very powerful, it clears a lot of negativity in the air. And another very important thing, it was said by Dalai Lama. It was specially the mantra for coronavirus was Om Tara Tutare Tara. It's a very, very powerful mantra. You can say this, close your eyes or just say it few times, and that also dispels a lot of negativity. Om Tara Tutare Tara. It is a very, very powerful mantra, and you can use this daily. You can use this daily and you'll see changes in your life. Another very important thing is, I always I tell people is, how do we start our day? How we start our day is very, very important. Because if we start our day feeling angry, we don't feel good about ourselves, our whole day will go bad. We won't, feel like it. The energy shifts. You notice, if you fight with someone in the morning, or you feel angry in the morning, or your mood is not good, your whole day goes bad. So in the morning, always do something what you love. Because if you do something what you love, it could be feeling listening to music, or doing some exercises, or doing something which you feel good. Okay, something which you feel good about yourself, of good, you feel good, your energy is good, and your whole day will go well. So do this in the morning. It is very, very effective. Another And wait till the end, I have got some surprise for you. So wait till the end, I've got a nice surprise for you. So don't not see this video till the end. Okay, another very powerful technique you can do is called sky gazing. Okay, you can go, it is proved by Stanford University that if we go out just in the balcony and gaze in the sky like this, you will feel very de-stressed and very, very relaxed and nice. So you can do that, sky gazing. Another very important technique you can do is anger management. Like, just release your negative thoughts. It's called journaling, and it's a very, very powerful technique proved by Harvard, where you can take a pad like this and just write down, keep writing, just clear your mind, just release all your negative thoughts and emotions, and you will feel better doing this. And do it every day, because the more you do it every day, it will calm your mind, and it will release all the thoughts you have which is in your mind, and it will come in the air. It will you'll feel very relaxed and really nice. You'll feel very relaxed and very nice. So you can do this and tell me how it means. It's always important. See how you feel. I would love comments below to see that how did you feel the technique was, and how did you like the technique. Okay, and now last but not the least, the surprise is ready. Okay, as I had said, the surprise is there. Very important. It is, it's good for the skin. You lose weight also if you have this early morning. It's called an immunity drink booster. Okay, immunity drink booster, especially during this time, is very important. So let me tell you the ingredients quickly. You can take ginger, adrak. Okay, take first little equal quantities, okay, of whatever I'm going to tell you. A little ginger, depends how many glasses you're making. If you're making 1 or 2, then I'm just showing you a little ginger. You can take a little black pepper. Okay, you can take dalchini. You can take dhania powder. Okay, you can take a little haldi, cinnamon, okay, tej patta, bay leaf, bay leaf. Okay, all these things are important. You can take hot water and mix it properly. First you have to crush all these things properly, mix it and put it in hot water. Okay, and then but make sure after boiling it properly, you put it in a glass bottle, because again, plastic is not good for health. It's poisonous. So the drink can last for 2 hours, and before drinking it, you have to put little lime and honey, so that you don't feel very you don't feel very tikha something in the drink. So do this is very important. And also put poppy seeds. So all these are the ingredients. This is very effective, and have this early morning especially if you can, in an empty stomach. It is very good for the digestive system. And if anyone has pimples, your digestive system will improve, and you will feel very good. Your skin will be clear, you will feel good and more energetic doing these things. So but make sure, once you boil it, you drink it immediately, and maximum it can last for 2 days, and put it in a glass bottle in the fridge, not more than that. So thank you so much. Try this. I would love to hear from all of y'all together. Let's see what victories or what joys or what benefits you saw through this video, and looking forward to hearing from everyone in the comments below. Thank you, and try what all I've told you. These are very, very powerful and effective techniques. Thank you.
Help Talks are daily health related talks held at Health Education Library for People, Mumbai, India. For more information visit www.healthlibrary.com. Subscribe to Help Talks channel. Be better informed about your health.